Hey every YouTubers! Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Jess of Glamformation Makeup by Jess. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Fantasy World sa Lemery, Batangas para sa pre-debut shoot ng aming debutant. And gusto nyo ba makita kung paano ko nagawa yung look na napaka-fresh lamang po? Stay tuned and witness how she transformed from being a lovely lady to a fully glammed, lovely, extra beautiful lady. First, I used Salatec to remove excess oil. And since combination ng dry to normal to oily skin ang client natin, gumamit ako ng moisturizer na Salatec din para sa hydration purposes.
Ain't living, but we could run.
So to ensure a no hulas makeup, dapat gumamit tayo ng primer na powerful. And for today, I'm going to use Nurturing Force Blot Out Oil Control Primer. I've been using this for 2 years now and I assure you that if you use this, hindi talaga hulas yung makeup. Be very careful in blending the product all over the face. Dapat lahat ng part ng mukha malagyan. Nagkaroon lang ng technical issue ang camera ko kaya hindi ko nakuha na ng video ang paglagay ng foundation, highlight and contour, pati na rin yung airbrush. But I used 6-part palette of RCMA and Graftobian airbrush foundation. Then I used RCMA no color powder to set everything on their proper places. My favorite part, Kiligos! I used Penacle in V4 shade. And basically, kailangan mo lang dito ng proper blending. And always remember that the base should be lower than the arc. Well, first, i-outline muna natin yung upper part and lower part ng kilay. Saka natin lagyan ng product ang gitna. I-fill in natin ng product ang gitna. I don't usually start from the base kasi magmumukhang Angry Bird si client. As you could see, nanggaling ako sa upper part ng base going to the arc, pababa sa may tail. And by the way, ang base na sinasabi ko kanina pa ay ang part ng kilay na malapit sa ilong. Ang latak ng product na nasa brushes, iwawipe ko pa ng tissue. Yun yung panglalagay ko sa base ng kilay. Through that, magkakaroon ng fade effect. Hindi magmumukhang Angry Bird si client, diba mga mamshi? And for the finale of the kilay, I'm going to use the Nichido Clear Eyebrow Gel to make it more natural and bushy. Now, let's move on to applying the eyeshadow. For today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Modern Renaissance. For the transition color, I'm going to use the shade Burnt Orange. It's very important for you guys to blend a lot because blending is the key for you to be able to have a really, really nice eyeshadow. And sa transition color pa lang, dapat plakado na ang pagkaka-blend mo so that you will achieve a natural, smoky eyeshadow. Now you just need to do the same thing on the other part of the eye. Just follow the direction and blend it a lot. Blending should be your cardio for you to be able to... Basta yun! Hirap mag-English ah. Basta blend mo lang te. Yan, blend, blend. Blend pa. Yan, blend pa more. Hala. As you can see guys, medyo hindi identical yung pagkakashape ko ng crease ng left at right eye niya. Pero stay tuned, syempre gagawin ko yan ng paraan. Using the same product, gagamitin ko naman ngayon ang shade na Cypress Umber para sa contour na part ng eyeshadow niya. And through this contouring, mas ma-achieve natin yung natural yet smoky eyeshadow. Now, this is the right time for me to correct what I've done wrong. You know, in life, we commit mistakes in the past, yet we always have a room for improvement. And this is the very time para ma-improve ko yung shape ng crease ng ating client. And as you could see, mas naging identical na ang shape nila. Now, blending here is very important because it would make your overall look natural and smoky. Now, go grab your blending brush and blend a lot. Now for the brow bone, I'm going to make use of the same product in Vermeer shade. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pagkaka-pronounce ko. Vermeer, however you pronounce it, basta yung shade na yun ay yung lightest and medyo glittery siya. I'm also going to use this same shade on the inner part of the eyeshadow para sa highlight ng kanyang eyes.
The night lay waste to all we'd given, but honestly,
now I want her to have a really natural blushy cheeks, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, yung pinaka pinkish na shade. Cream contour lang tayo ngayon, hindi na ako magpa-powder contour para mas ma-highlight yung blushy cheeks niya. Lapad ang balikat ko. Now I'm gonna grab the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and apply an ample amount to the lower and upper lashes. Diyos ko rin naman, Jessie. Ang balikat mo napakalapad, nakakaharang na, oy. False eyelashes. Now, it's very important for you to measure the ample length of the false eyelashes bago mo lagyan ng eyelash glue. And for today, para on flick and buhay na buhay ang mata ni client, gagamit tayo ng Gladking 3D Mink False Eyelashes, and promise, on flick to, buhay na buhay ang mata ni client. May pulso na, may heartbeat pa. For the highlighter or illuminizer, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Starburst. Now, going back to the eyes, I grabbed the same eyeshadow palette that I used earlier and the same shade of the transition color, the burnt orange, smudged it under eye para sa natural smoky look. And as usual, guys, blending is the key for the economy and beyond. Now for the cat eye, I'm going to use the Maybelline Black Liquid Eyeliner, and promise, this is very user-friendly. Parang yung kaibigan mo, user-friendly. Chareng! Kidding aside, this is really good, especially para sa mga beginners.
So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
Now to complete the overall look, I'm going to use the MAC lipstick. This is one of my favorite lippies in the shade Twig. Careful in shaping the lips, guys, para syempre walang chismis. And pag walang chismis, malaki ang tip. Charot! Basically, gusto ko ma-achieve ang ombre effect ng lips. That's why for today, I'm going to use the white shade of Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette. Medyo bago lang ako dito, pero sobrang na-enjoy ko yung mga shades ng lipstick niya, especially the white one, for me to create an ombre effect for the lips. Guys, I do hope that you understand the technical problems of my cam for today. I just want to really push through with sharing my routine for this makeup and my tips na rin. Kaya pasensya na kung may mga certain parts na hindi nakuhanan. And for the last part, after the lipstick, of course, the finishing spray. And for today, I used Skindinavia Bridal para no hulas ang makeup. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe and click the bell button for more of my videos in the future. Follow me on my social media accounts. Everything is at Glamformation Makeup by Jess. And I really, really appreciate your time. I love you all. See you soon!
The night lay waste to all we'd give.